After teaching all day in March, this is my after school reset routine. Because if I don't do this, my whole evening falls apart. March is exhausting. No breaks, testing pressure, kids are restless, and by the time I get home, I'm overstimulated and drained. I used to just crash on the couch and then feel behind all night. So I built a routine that helps me transition from teacher mode to home mode. Tonight, I'm showing you the 4-step reset that keeps me calm, productive, and sane during the hardest month of the school year. And step 3, that's the one that changed everything for me. Getting home after work is such a good feeling. This is a good reset day for me because I don't have to pick Harper up. So Ellery fell asleep in the car, so I have to bring her in and then go back and get my stuff. And whoo, child, all the bags, all the things, have to put those down. But when I come home, I do my best to make sure that I put everything in its place and try not to leave things out of order because that is going to leave more tasks for me to do later. And no matter what shoes I have on, I have to get them off my feet. Sneakers, flats, whatever. They've got to come off so I can get comfortable. And then I just need a moment to breathe. And I think the first thing and the most important reset is my personal reset. School has taken a lot out of me. You see, the light has left my eyes. So today was a rest day from working out and it was warm and I just felt gross. So I decided to go ahead and take my shower and do my skincare routine. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. This is the step that changed everything for me. When I change my clothes and wash my face, I'm telling my brain, work is over. I don't bring the classroom into the evening anymore. Once I finish with my self reset, I can get into the home reset. Doing this at night makes tomorrow easier. And tomorrow, Nikea deserves a calm start. That's the real reset. And I'll show you how I prep for calm mornings in another video. Taking care of me first makes it a lot easier for me to have to deal with everything and everyone else. And doing this stuff just makes it so much easier for me to go to bed at night and to get up and get ready in the morning. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. And this routine isn't a lot. You may ask the question, how do I reset after teaching all day in March, the month with the least amount of breaks possible? I follow a 4-step reset routine. You have to immediately reset. Don't put it off. Start as soon as you get through that door. Personal reset, because I cannot pour from an empty cup. I have to make sure that my cup is full before I pour into anyone else. Then I can get into my home reset, making sure that the house looks good and doing the things that make my mornings and evenings so much easier as a mom, wife, and teacher. And the personal reset step is truly what shifts my mood. Once I'm together, I feel like I can accomplish anything. Can I be honest? There were days when I used to come home and just sit in my car and veg out and sometimes even fall asleep. March is heavy. Teaching is heavy in general. Life is heavy. But this routine isn't about being productive and just finding stuff to do. It's about protecting my peace.
How bad is it?
Thanks, babe. Thanks, babe.
I love you, stick feet, babe.
I love your belly button, babe. Yeah, babe.
Hungry, 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 hungry. Look, his head falls out of his eye.
Hold on, let me warm it up. You want some cheese? There you go, Harper. Look at it. All melted. Goodness. Bougie. Ellie, I probably done made your food. Another step in preparing for the morning and having less to do and not rushing around is getting my outfit together the night before. I already picked them out for the week, but the night before I like to go ahead and choose the outfit I want to wear the next day. And yeah, do this, and tomorrow's Nikea will thank me. Once I have done all the things and spent time with my family, it is time to have some me time to wind down and get ready for bed. And that usually includes reading a book and or playing New York Times games.
Good night, Mommy.
So goofy. Whoa. Ooh. Drink some water, girl. Did you moisturize?
Yeah.
No.
This 4-step after school reset routine allows me to easily transition from school and work into home. And it allows me to have a slow, soft evening as well as a smooth start to my morning.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being.
If you enjoyed watching this content, or if any of this resonates with you, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. And go ahead and drop in the comments and let me know what other content you would like to see from me. I could also show you all my morning routines and how I fully prepare for the next day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.